In this tutorial, we'll discuss how to design an effective academic poster. We'll focus on organizing content and using visuals to clearly communicate the main findings of your research. Academic conferences offer multiple opportunities to connect with your colleagues by attending social events, lectures, panel discussions, and poster sessions. Posters aren't just a tool for presenting your research. They're there to spark one-on-one and group discussions and encourage the sharing of ideas. Remember, the poster is simply a visual guide to your research, but you are the presenter. So use a poster as a tool to guide viewers through the results of your project. Explain the problem your research addressed, highlight the key findings, and demonstrate why your work is important. There are multiple tools available for creating posters, but we recommend PowerPoint for its ease of use. The PowerPoint templates we provide are available in multiple sizes and formats for both Windows and Mac OS. You can find the templates on the Academic Posters LibGuide found on the Bewley Library website. The templates were designed to help you focus on content rather than formatting. We recommend that you draft the text outside of your poster in Microsoft Word. Drafting your text outside of your poster template makes it easier to edit. At poster sessions, attendees quickly scan document titles to determine their interest in the subject of the research. Use a short, clear title and include all contributors and their affiliations to draw viewers in. Make sure to organize your posters so it tells the story of your research, flowing from background to methods to results to discussion and ending with conclusions. Good design follows a natural reading pattern, left to right, top to bottom, as seen in this diagram. Keep text, margins, and images aligned so the viewer's eyes can move easily through the poster. Make sure not to crowd text and images. When designing your poster, choose a clean, readable font. Our templates are formatted with readable fonts and appropriate sizes for each section of your poster. Please avoid decorative fonts. They are difficult to read. Make sure to balance text, images, and white space. White space gives the reader's eyes a chance to rest and to focus on important content. Aim to 30 to 40% white space and around 600 to 800 words in total. We recommend using no more than 2 relevant images so you don't overcrowd the poster. The use of color is important. Our templates use a simple color palette, one main color in the heading, and one accent color. Stick with black text and white background for readability and consistency. Avoid using combinations such as red text on black background because these can be difficult to read. Charts and graphs add a lot of visual interest to your poster, and therefore should be clear and easy to read. They include titles, labels, and legends, and keep formatting consistent. Again, make sure the visuals fit neatly within your layout and are aligned with text and other images. Before printing, double-check dimensions, spelling, font consistency. That includes font size, style, and paragraph spacing, image quality, and margins. It also helps to have someone else review your poster before printing, as they can identify areas that need improvement. In summary, keep your text clear and concise, organize it logically, use visuals to highlight key points, and always review your formatting before printing. Please contact any member of the Bewley Library Reference and Instructional Services team if you have any questions or need assistance.